Greetings, fellow explorers. Our solar system is full of wonders. Today we're going on a journey to a mysterious planet, a blue giant named Uranus. Uranus is far, far away. It's so distant that we need powerful telescopes to see it from Earth. Uranus is an ice giant, which means it's mostly made of icy materials. It's the seventh planet from the Sun, and it's very different from our home planet, Earth. Imagine a world tilted on its side, spinning like a top as it travels through space. That's Uranus. Uranus is a fascinating place, and we're still learning so much about it. So buckle up, young explorers, as we embark on this cosmic adventure to uncover the secrets of the blue giant, Uranus. Keep your eyes peeled for exciting facts and amazing discoveries. The universe is full of surprises, and you never know what we might find next. For a long time, people only knew about the planets they could see with their eyes. But then, something amazing happened. In 1781, a musician named William Herschel pointed his telescope at the sky and saw something new. It was Uranus, a planet no one had ever seen before. This was a huge discovery. It was the first time a new planet had been found using a telescope. Herschel's discovery changed the way we saw our solar system. It showed us that there were more planets out there, waiting to be discovered. Can you imagine the excitement of seeing a new planet for the first time? It must have been an incredible moment for Herschel. His discovery opened up a whole new realm of possibilities for astronomers and dreamers alike. Uranus is huge. It's much bigger than Earth. If Earth were a basketball, Uranus would be as big as a beach ball. And it's not just its size that's impressive. This giant is also unique because of the way it spins. Unlike Earth, which spins like a top standing straight, Uranus is tilted on its side. Imagine a ball rolling on the floor instead of spinning upright. That's how Uranus moves. Scientists believe that a long, long time ago, something may have crashed into Uranus. This collision could have caused it to tip over. This unusual tilt gives Uranus very strange seasons. On Earth, our seasons change every few months. But on Uranus, each season lasts for about 21 Earth years. Can you imagine having summer for 21 years straight? That's Uranus for you. Hold on to your hats because Uranus is a wild and windy place. The temperatures on Uranus are incredibly cold, reaching far below freezing. It's one of the coldest places in our solar system. But that's not all. Uranus also has some of the fastest winds in the solar system. These winds can blow at incredible speeds, creating giant storms that swirl around the planet. Some of these storms are even bigger than Earth. The combination of extreme cold and powerful winds makes Uranus a very harsh environment. It's certainly not a place for a casual visit. But for scientists, Uranus is a fascinating world that offers a glimpse into the extreme forces at play in our universe. Uranus is a planet of many wonders. It has a beautiful system of rings, although they are not as bright or as famous as Saturn's rings. These rings are made up of dust and ice particles that circle the planet like a cosmic ballet. But the wonders don't stop there. Uranus also has a whole entourage of moons. In fact, there are at least 27 moons orbiting this giant planet. Each moon is unique and has its own story to tell. Some of Uranus's moons have icy surfaces, while others are rocky. Some are large, while others are quite small. But they all play a role in the fascinating dance of gravity and motion that makes our solar system so captivating. Back in 1986, a spacecraft named Voyager 2 made history when it flew past Uranus. This was our first and, so far, only close encounter with this distant world. Voyager 2 sent back incredible images and data that revolutionized our understanding of Uranus. During its flyby, Voyager 2 revealed details about Uranus's rings, discovered new moons, and even studied the planet's unique magnetic field. It was a groundbreaking mission that left scientists hungry for more. Today, scientists are developing new missions to explore the outer solar system, including Uranus. These future missions will use advanced technology to study Uranus in even greater detail, unraveling more of its mysteries. Who knows what incredible discoveries await us? Uranus, the blue giant. reminds us that there's still so much out there to discover. Every time we send a spacecraft to another planet, we learn something new about our universe and our place in it. So keep looking up at the stars, young explorers, and never stop asking questions. The universe is vast and full of mysteries waiting to be solved. Who knows, maybe one day you'll be the one to make the next big discovery. And remember, the more we learn about space, the more we appreciate the wonders of our own planet, Earth. Keep exploring, keep learning, and keep dreaming big. And don't forget to subscribe for more cosmic adventures. See you in the next episode.